Hello, and welcome to MEC 105 Everyday Science, our discussion on food and medicine. I'm Jay Mendelson, a lecturer in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. This time, we're going to take a look at biology and medicine, but again, how it relates to what you know in your everyday life. Please read chapters 14 and 16 in our textbook, Science of Everything. And we have these online articles for you to read too. First, we're going to study food and drink, and specifically the process of fermentation and how yeast allows grains to ferment into alcohol to make beer, how it allows grapes to ferment into alcohol to make wine, and how it allows lactose in milk to ferment into lactic acid. And when you study how cheese is made, you will learn that a special chemical called rennet is what allows the milk to gel into a yogurt-like substance, which is then refined further to make cheese. Then we're going to learn what hydroponic farming is. This is farming where we have carbon dioxide in air and water, and we skip the soil completely. You can do this type of farming indoors. We're used to buying frozen vegetables and microwaving them, eating for dinner, and buying canned food at the supermarket. Take it out of the can, go, maybe heat it up, maybe refrigerate it, but certainly eat it quickly. And you don't think too much about what is the chemical process that's actually used to preserve food in these ways. But these articles will explain how. And then our third process of food processing is freeze-dried food, which also has a very unique process associated with it. We'll move on to medicine, and we'll talk about immunobiology, and specifically how antibiotics are made to fight bacteria, and how vaccines are made to augment our immune systems in protecting us from viruses. And then we'll talk a little more about allergies, and what is the root cause of an allergy, and what can be done to diagnose it. And then a very interesting mechanical aspect of the medical world is how prosthetic limbs work. People these days can get prosthetic feet and hands and arms to replace them, having lost them through all types of terrible accidents. So good luck this week in your studies, and we'll see you next time.